Lay out the parts on the ground prior to starting assembling your shelter. Slide the arch centers and corners together. Bolt the door bars onto the arch corners, making sure the male door bars are all installed on the same side of the shelter. Then bolt the female and the male door bars onto the T-bar. Wait before bolting the T-bar onto the peak of the arch. For the two-end arches, make sure the wing nuts face the inside of the shelter. Lay out the bottom bracing tubes and posts on the ground. Align the female bracing tubes with the second arch. The two-hole posts are for the four corners of the shelter. The extra hole is for the diagonal braces. Keep in mind that the bracing tubes belong inside the shelter. Bolt the bracing tubes onto the bottom of the posts. Bolt the diagonal braces onto the second post. Make sure they're on the inside of the shelter. At the other end, install the diagonal braces on the second to last post. Arranging the posts this way will facilitate raising the frame. Join the first arch to the posts. Bolt the diagonal braces onto the end posts. Lay out the bracing tubes you'll be coupling with the arch corners and posts. Bolt the male bracing tube onto the first arch. Slide the female bracing tube over the male without bolting them together. Raise the second arch and bolt the bracing tubes you just assembled onto it. Repeat until you complete the frame. Install the 2 remaining diagonal braces. All that's left is bracing the peaks of the arches. Once you have thoroughly assembled your frame, make sure your shelter is square and properly installed widthwise. Once you've determined the shelter is the proper width and square, proceed with the anchoring. The anchor included in the kit are designed for use on asphalt. The nails must be cross-staked in the form of an X. You will have to adapt your anchoring system to the type of surface your shelter will be on. Refer to the section on Choosing Your Anchoring System.